So to walk you guys through this real quickly, I want to show you the different options that we have here. So the chat that we're talking on right now, that's only this part over here, and that's a very simplified version of Telegram. But the way that we should be communicating here is actually through the thread over here. So you have option to add photos, you can add videos, you can add embedded links, you can do attachments for files, and you can even create your own polls here to ask questions from the different members that will join later. And this is a different place that you can come and click here to create a quick post or article, or you can ask a question or a poll, create an event, and we can create different topics to keep the conversation very organized. And from here, you can also invite the different members that we want to have on here so that we can keep the conversation all over here. And everything is private, so all the communication that happens here, it's only within this tribe. And to get around on the left side, you can take a look at the menu. The activity feed is where everybody is communicating, we're doing posts and sharing information. The discovery part is the most highlighted areas that we want the members to have access to. They will go over here. Now the really cool thing that's very powerful now, out of the members that you have, they will be able to see which ones are in that same area with them. And this becomes really powerful to get people together and be able to share more on a local level. And the topics will show up here. So this becomes a quick overview of everything that's happening inside of the team and inside of the conversation on the main page. And over here on the left again, we can click on members and we can see the different members that are joining in. We'll create a about section that will talk about detailed. I've put a description here and explained a little bit about what we're doing here to be able to attract the right type of people. And you have the invite button here again that you can use to invite new members in. And after we create our topics, they will show up in here, and we can create topics in here as well. You can just click on that and put in your topic, and then you can click on more options here, and you can give it a description. You can choose a color for this little bar that shows up around here, and we can even add a nice background image that is related to that topic to keep the place nice and tidy. So, and all the events will show up in the events tab, and this is only the events that are for this private group. So I hope now you see that how powerful this can become, and even if we do local events after Corona, then you can even market it to people that are in nearby areas so that they can know about the different events that are happening around them. I hope that helped out, and I'll speak to you guys soon.